Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make chocolate banana muffins. These muffins are super moist, chocolatey and perfect for your breakfast or snack. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take a bowl, add 130 grams of maida, all-purpose flour. You could use wheat flour. Here I am using 20 grams of Hershey unsweetened cocoa powder. To that add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, just leave that out. Here I am using 50 grams of powdered sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar. Brown sugar gives a nice flavor to our muffins. If you don't have brown sugar, just add 100 grams of regular powdered sugar and whisk everything well. In my baking, I always use unsweetened cocoa powder which has richer taste and deeper color. So my personal favorite is Hershey unsweetened cocoa powder. You could use Cadbury cocoa powder, but if you find Hershey, please go ahead and use it. Our dry ingredients are ready. For which we need buttermilk. Here I am making an instant buttermilk. For that I took 60 ml of milk and half a teaspoon of vinegar. Just whisk and keep it aside for 5 minutes. This is my instant buttermilk for baking. And keep it aside for 5 minutes until it curdles. Take a bowl, add 1 large egg and whisk for about 30 seconds. To that add our buttermilk which we made before. Add the buttermilk and whisk for about 30 seconds again. Here I am using 1 large bananas. Make sure your bananas are very ripe. Overripe bananas gives sweeter and perfect for baking. You can freeze your overripe bananas in freezer. Before using, take it out from freezer and thaw the bananas. I use 1 large mashed bananas. To this add 60 grams of oil. You could use melted butter too. Refined oil, coconut oil, normal oil and gently whisk it. Whisk for about 1 minute until it combined. So our wet ingredients are ready now. Do check out the description box for full written recipe and tips about baking. Do check it out. Now add our wet ingredients to the dry and gently fold it. Gently fold for 1 minute. Do not over mix the batter or else your muffin may get hard and tough. Just gently fold the batter. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Preheating your oven is very important. So please don't forget to preheat your oven before baking. So batter is ready now. Look at this. To this add 2 tablespoonfuls of choco chips. It's optional. You could use any nuts, walnuts, cashews or else just leave that out. Here I am using choco chips and gently fold it. Our batter is ready now. Take a muffin tray or any cupcake tray if you have and add the paper liner, cupcake liner. You could use muffin liner if you have and pour the batter. Here I am using spoon. You could use, if you have ice cream scooper, you could use the ice cream scooper. And fill the muffin tin until the cups are almost full. Look at this. To this add choco chips. It's completely optional. If you don't have choco chips, just leave that out. Add the choco chips and bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Look at this. Our toothpick test is done. It comes out clean and let it cool completely for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now let's taste the muffins. Look at this. This was super moist, chocolatey and perfect for breakfast. You could use whole wheat flour for healthy option. You can store the muffins for 2 to 3 days at room temperature. Look at this. Do try it out and let me know how it is turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.